Y'all ready for some ice cream? Boy, is it hot out here. Perfect weather for ice cream. We're down here in beautiful Murrells Inlet at CESTY'S. Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and we're down here in Murrells Inlet at CESTY'S Ice Cream Shop. Our friends have been raving about this is the best ice cream they have ever had. So of course, we had to come check it out. All right, so before we decide to get into the ice cream, we're just gonna give you a little bit of background history on it. So they have about two flavors, right? Chocolate, vanilla, is it three? Twist, chocolate, vanilla, and twist. And they've been open for about 3 months, and she is from Virginia. And CESTY'S is located right beside the Lazy Gator, right across from Bovines. And so let's go check it out. Great day, don't that look good? Okay, so let's get the menu.
So even though they have the vanilla and the chocolate swirl, or vanilla and chocolate and swirl, you get toppings. They have sundaes, shakes, floats, and water.
Welcome to CESTY'S.
Hi, how are you?
Great, how are y'all?
Good, good. All right, so I'm gonna take a small vanilla cone.
Take a chocolate.
Do you want the same cone vanilla or cone chocolate?
Yes, please. Okay. And I'll also take a water.
Is that everything for y'all?
That's it. Okay. Very colorful little umbrellas out here that you can enjoy the shade while you're sitting out here eating your ice cream cone. You can watch traffic coming in. Perfect place for whenever the bikers come in for the fall. Well, if you're looking for a doodle, make sure you check out Dancing Doodles. She had about 4 puppies in there, and you can get you one. They're cute. And look at there. Big Box has got him an ice cream shake. So here's what the price was. Not too shabby for some perfect ice cream on a Sunday.
Here you go.
All right.
And I'll be right out with that chocolate.
Ooh. Look at theirs. Doesn't that look delicious? Mm-hmm. Beatbox, you might want to get some more napkins. And here he comes with his. Look at that.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Delicioso.
So, go ahead, Beatbox. Tell us what you think.
That's good.
It is good. Mine is very vanilla-y. Vanilla-y.
How do you spell vanilla? Vanilla?
It's very creamy.
All right, obviously there's a technique to eating ice cream.
I haven't had an ice cream cone in so long.
Hers drips all over the place.
Well, that was good. That was very delicious. I think the size proportion was just good.
It was a small.
It was a small, and it was plenty. If I'd have gotten more, I think I would have been wearing a lot more of it home. I feel like I got ice cream all over my face.
Let me lick it off.
And you wouldn't tell me. He'd be sitting here and let me have it all in my nose and everything.
I think it was pretty good.
It was. You definitely need to come down and check it out. The thing that I liked the most about it was there's only 2 flavors. If you're with a large group like we are, then you're not going to get birthday cake, and well, normally we are. You're not going to get like birthday cake and all the different things. I can definitely see my mom and dad would have loved this place.
That's right. So if you enjoyed this video,
make sure you hit that subscribe button
and ring that bell notification so you can keep up with what's going on.
And don't forget, it's free, 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 no charge.
To subscribe, not the ice cream.
Exactly. I think they have that beatbox. So you too can keep beaching.
And action. On the table, on her.
I'm pretty much wearing mine.
She don't know how to do it. This is how you do it, where it won't leak. Look at it. Show them how it's leaking. It's a hole in it or something.
And I'll be like, all right, that zip it